The first ever fully custom Ferrari 12Cilindri is here, called the Mansory Equestre. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. We're at the end of 2024. Ferrari surprised the automotive world with the presentation of the successor to the 812. The Ferrari 12Cilindri, or 12Cilindri, thrilled fans and much of the press with this design, and thanks to its retro references, especially in the striking front end, it was immediately celebrated as a future classic. The prestigious tuner got their hands on one of Maranello's Super GTs, and well, the result is always highly controversial. And this is a version of the prancing horse that not only looks different from the production version, but is also a tad more powerful. Let's start with the changes that the German tuner made to the car's powertrain. Normally, the car is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5 liter V12, and in its native form, is capable of delivering 830 horsepower. This is the world's first conversion of a Ferrari 12-cylinder. As Mansory calls it, the power plant will crank out a tad more than that, namely 855 horsepower. Torque levels have increased as well, going from the stock 678 Nm to 730 Nm. Now, the upgrade made to allow for the increase in power did not involve a significant overhaul of the car's powertrain. Instead, Mansory tampered with the engine's management system and installed a new 4-pipe sport exhaust system with valve control and 2 catalytic converters, and that was it. The exhaust system also plays a part in the visual changes made to the 12-Cilindri, as it ends in 2 tailpipes fitted in the carbon fiber apron. Now, it also houses the third brake light, and a bit higher, the rear end of the Ferrari remains spoiler-free and unchanged from its original configuration. Now, the front end is a slightly different story, as it does bring a series of deeper changes, completely redesigned with a carbon fiber front apron. Mansory went for enlarged air intakes fitted inside a completely redesigned carbon fiber apron. They not only allow cool air to go directly to the radiators, but also make the sports car look more aggressive. Also contributing to that perception is the aftermarket hood, made of entirely carbon fiber. Now, on the sides, the Ferrari now sports side flaps both in the front and behind the wheels, helping increase downforce on the front axle. These elements are coupled with body extensions on all wheel arches, so they are also made of carbon fiber. Now, since I mentioned the wheels, let's talk about what we ride on here, because we have the VF5 deployed by Mansory on a vehicle for the first time in this configuration. The fronts are 21 inches, while the diameter of the rear ones stand at 22 inches. Now, the exterior chosen for the Equestre is a sort of purple contrasted by the black carbon fiber elements. It is decorated with the colors of the Italian flag and painted as a central stripe going across the entire length of the car. The interior continues the same color play as the bodywork, mixing all sorts of materials, including leather and carbon fiber. Now, the LED lights have been installed in the headliner, and Mansory logo shines in the purple cabin. Now, with that said, the Germans swapped out the car's steering wheel with a carbon leather sports one with an integrated shift indicator, then installed in-house made sports aluminum pedals and fitted quilted floor mats. As everything it does, the design is only a taste of what the 12-Cilindri can be turned into, as customers will have the final say. Now, the customizer plans to offer the Equestre conversion for both the coupe and spider versions of the car, but makes no mention on how much the modifications could cost. Understandable, seeing how none of these cars will be like the others. Now, as a reminder, this Ferrari 12-Cilindri in its stock configuration goes for around $470,000. And well, a Mansory one probably could be at least $500,000, probably way over that. But with that said, what do you guys think about what Mansory did to the first fully custom Ferrari 12-Cilindri? Drop those comments down below. If you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links in the description if you guys want to help further support the channel. Appreciate the love. And also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.